Alright, so earlier this week I ordered something off Etsy and I just feel like making a video, so I'm just gonna open it. So I still have no idea why it says fragile. Oh my god. Look at this box, it's adorable. It's so how pretty it is. This will be like as you can see, it says vintage, so yeah. I refuse to ruin this beautiful ribbon. Well, I mean, it's not really a ribbon, but like the tying of it. Oh my god, they're so tiny. Ah! I did not know they would be this small. Whatever, they're adorable. So this little yellow cat, which I was originally only gonna order this one, but then like I realized, hey, there's probably only one of each, so there is gonna be no coming back for this one. So I also got this one, and there's Callie. That scared the crap out of me. They're so cute. This one's obviously like supposed to be a charm. The hole isn't even like there. So cute. Alright, well, that's probably like the shortest video I've ever made. So, yeah. Also, I'm using my tripod. And I also recently learned that apparently it has, the actual tripod itself is bendable. I didn't realize that until, like, I thought it warped or something. And then I was like, oh, can I fix that? It bends, and I was like, it's supposed to do that. Because, like, when I bent it, it felt like it was meant to bend. And, yeah, no, it is. So I'm actually able to record a lot closer to the ground than I thought. So that's a good thing. That is not a hair. I thought that was cat fur or something. Just like hair. Yeah. Now this may be my last video of the year. So I'm also gonna upload this other one. Maybe. I might upload it later. Then I upload this one. So I think I will, because I can't remember if I accidentally showed like the address on it or not. So I need to go through and look. But still, dried flowers, they're pretty. Anyhow, goodbye. Have a nice have a nice day, night, or whatever time it is for you. I'm gonna go now, and see you next year.